Photosynthesis is a vital biological process that occurs in plants, algae, and some bacteria. It is responsible for converting sunlight into chemical energy, specifically in the form of glucose, a type of sugar. This process sustains life on Earth by producing oxygen and providing a fundamental energy source for most living organisms. Let's explore the key aspects of photosynthesis. Overview of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a complex biochemical process that takes place in specialized organelles within plant cells called chloroplasts. The process involves capturing sunlight energy, utilizing carbon dioxide, CO2, from the atmosphere, and absorbing water, H2O, from the roots to synthesize glucose and oxygen. Chlorophyll and pigments. Chlorophyll is a green pigment found in chloroplasts that plays a crucial role in capturing sunlight energy. It absorbs light in the blue and red regions of the electromagnetic spectrum and reflects green light, giving plants their characteristic color. Besides chlorophyll, other accessory pigments such as carotenoids and xanthophylls help capture additional light wavelengths and protect the plant from excessive light damage. Light reactions. The first stage of photosynthesis is the light-dependent reaction, which takes place in the thylakoid membranes of the chloroplasts. During this phase, sunlight energy is absorbed by chlorophyll and other pigments. This energy is then used to split water molecules into oxygen and protons, H+. The released oxygen is released into the atmosphere, while the protons play a role in creating a proton gradient. Electron transport chain. The protons created during the light reactions contribute to the formation of a proton gradient across the thylakoid membrane. This gradient drives the synthesis of adenosine triphosphate, ATP, which is a molecule that stores and transports energy within cells. The flow of electrons through a series of protein complexes in the thylakoid membrane creates this proton gradient. Calvin cycle, dark reactions. The second stage of photosynthesis is the light-independent reaction, commonly known as the Calvin cycle or the dark reactions. Despite its name, these reactions don't require direct sunlight but rather depend on the ATP and NADPH, an electron carrier, produced during the light reactions. In the Calvin cycle, carbon dioxide, CO2, is used to synthesize glucose and other organic compounds. Importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is essential for various reasons. It serves as the primary source of energy for most living organisms. It produces oxygen, which is vital for aerobic respiration and the survival of organisms that rely on oxygen. It regulates the Earth's carbon dioxide levels, playing a significant role in mitigating climate change by removing CO2 from the atmosphere. In summary, photosynthesis is a complex process that enables plants, algae, and certain bacteria to convert sunlight into chemical energy, producing glucose and oxygen. This process is crucial for sustaining life on Earth and maintaining a balanced ecosystem.